Hello students, so I am bringing you this sheet number 5. The title of the sheet is Projection of Planes 2, and in this sheet we are going to make planes which are inclined with one of the plane. Okay, in this sheet we will have 3 questions only, and you will find that in the last question we are going to draw a projection which is inclined with both the planes. Okay, so in the last question we have discussed that how we can draw a projection when it is inclined with one of the plane and how we can see. Now in this question, a hexagonal plane of side 25 mm has a corner on the HP. Its surface is inclined at 45 degree to the HP and perpendicular to the BP. We have to draw its projection when the diagonal through the corner in the HP is parallel to the BP. Okay, so in the last question we have seen that a hexagonal plane was of some side had the edge on the HP, but in this question the edge is not on HP. The corner is on the HP. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the last question and this question. So how we are going to do this question, we will see. So the easiest way to do these questions is to make a XY line. So we will make a XY line. This XY line will differentiate between top view and front view. So what we are going to do, we are making a hexagonal plane with a corner on HP. Okay, so a hexagonal plane with corner on HP, okay, will look like this. It is of 25 mm. So we are going to make this like this. Okay, so this will be your hexagon. Okay, now we can name it A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is different from the last question because in the last question the edge was on the HP. So this question was like this. Okay, but in this question edge is not on the HP, the corner is on the HP. Okay, so obviously when it is like this you will look to the line. आपको एक लाइन दिख रही होगी. Okay, so आप इसे प्रोजेक्ट कीजिए इसके एंड्स को. So these ends will lie here. Likewise this A and C projections will lie here. D and F projections will lie here, and this E projection will lie here. So you are getting a line with determined length. Okay, so हम इसे दे सकते हैं this is B dash. A और C दोनों एक दूसरे को ओवरलैप कर रही होंगी. So this is A dash and C dash. Likewise this will be F dash and D dash. Okay, and this is E dash. So we are having a line with length. Okay, we can measure this length. We can measure the length of B dash, A dash, C dash, F dash, D dash and E dash. So the question is saying it is inclined at 45 degree to the HP. So ये line आपको HP से inclined करनी है. So you have all the length. Just inclined it at 45 degree. Okay, you know these points B double dash, you know all the points. This is A double dash, C double dash, this is F double dash, D double dash, and this is E double dash. Now you don't have to do anything, just project the end points like this in the downward direction. Okay, and also project these lines. Okay, so you will have all these things. Now अब आप ये देखिए B कहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है, B एंड B यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है, ठीक है. सो इट इज इन द सेम लाइन. ओके, सो दिस इज B डैश, दिस इज B1. ओके, अब A डैश देखिए, A कहाँ प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है, सो इट इज A1. ओके, लाइकवाइज C कहाँ प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है, यहाँ हो रहा है, तो C1. D को देखिए, D आपका यहाँ प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है, सो इट इज D1. एंड देन E आपका यहाँ प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है, दिस इज E1. एंड देन वी वुड लाइक टू सी F, दिस इज F1. ओके, सो ये सारे पॉइंट्स को आप मिला दीजिए, A1 टू B1, B1 टू C1, C1 टू D1, D1 to E1, E1 to F1 and F1 to A1. So this is our final projection. This is our front view. This is our top view. So this is how we are going to complete this question of projection of planes 2. Thank you.